Alright, we're about to witness Grayson Lewis's first time eating real food.
What's the date today? The 19th?
Today is the 21st of March.
Of July.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Dad didn't have coffee yet. I don't drink coffee, but whatever.
So July 21st.
July 21st.
At 1 o'clock. Mushed up bananas and formula. Let's see if the Bobby likes it. Open. What is that? Mommy, what are you giving me? I think he likes it. I can't get it in his mouth. Grayson. Do you like that? Oh, I'm not good at this. I'm getting it all over you. Sorry, Bubby. Do you like that? Do you like that? Of course you do. Yeah. He's trying to suck it. Come here, open. Aw, I think he likes it. You want to feed him? Oh, I dropped it. Sit up, folks.
Yeah, let me try.
Here, look up. There we go. Look up. Look up. Look up. Ah. Oh, there we go.
I won't focus.
Can't zoom?
No, I'm zooming, but...
Here, Bubs. Grayson. Grayson.
You can't see him.
No?
No, when you put your hand there.
I don't know. I can't get it in his mouth, though. There we go. We got some in the mouth, right? There we go. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We like banana, right? Puppy. Puppy. Oh, I just got on your nose. Mommy's making a mess. Oof. There we go. I think you like the banana. Do you like it? It's nice and sweet. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Open, open. Ah. Open. Open. Ah. There we go.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Put that down and just take one,
A picture?
with this sideways like that for me. With his mouth messy a little bit.
Come here, Bubs. Grayson. Wait. Now it looks like he has a booger. Grayson! Oh! Grayson! Grayson! Whoopee! Look at him. You don't know what you're doing yet. You don't know what you're doing yet, and neither does Mommy. Here, Daddy, want to try?
Mm-hmm.
Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Here, give me.
Just come here.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, champ.
Grayson, eat for daddy.
Come here, buddy.
Grayson. Ooh.
He's just gonna gnaw on it.
Yeah.
Come on, champ. You ain't getting this all down.
It's only like a quarter of a banana.
This is a good approach. Grayson! Grayson! Grayson!
Yay!
Oh, missed it. Grayson! Grayson!
Bubby.
Look at daddy! Look at daddy!
Yay!
Look at daddy!
Grayson.
Grayson! 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 Okay, look at him! Look out! Look out! Grayson!
Grayson.
Grayson! Look!
Aw.
Look, buddy! Look!
There we go, Bubby. The Bubby. Grayson.
Oh, of course now he looks at me like,
That's
you
alright.
ready?
Oh, come on.
Mmm. So
Yummy.
you gotta put it in and then scoop up, like pull it out.
Yummy.
Yum, yum, yum. No, no fingers. No fingers. Open the mouth. He won't open. He's not used to it being in his mouth.
I know.
I guess we're gonna have to get a new bib for today.
It's okay.
Good, huh? Sweet.
Here is. Should I?
Yeah, just press the red button.
Okay. Well, okay. Red.
The recorder.